Hello, my dear crafters, everybody who came across my channel, first time or maybe not first time. I'm very happy to see you here. On this channel, we knit, we crochet, and we make this world a warmer place. On this short tutorial today, I want to show you my favorite way to do the short rows. Short rows is a little technique that we use for different type of garments. I use short rows for when I do the heels on socks. I do them. I use short rows when I make my up-down jumpers in the raglan technique, and some patterns require this technique for create a pattern. And I know several ways to do short rows, as you're probably familiar with some of them. It's a German short rows, it's a Japan short rows. It's many different ways to do this, but I want you to show my favorite one, which is absolutely perfect and beautiful. And when I've learned this, I decided, and now I just always do this type of the short rows because it's symmetrical and look perfectly from both sides, and you can use it when you knit plain or when you knit in rounds. The result will be always perfect. Oh, why I use this one? Because I used before German short rows, but when I was using it on socks, I was going these ways from side to side. It was all right, but when I was coming to the round knitting, I never could make it look nice and symmetrical. That's why they are quite good, and maybe you know this, but this way I will show you today, it will be the game changer, I promise you. And I will be very precise. I show you everything slow and close, and I'll explain you everything for you understand. Then let's start. I will show this on a little example I made here. I prepare here a little bit, couple of rows of the stockinette stitch, which we do normal way, knit stitches on the right side and the purl stitches on the wrong side. First stitch I always take away to make a beautiful edge, and this is the way how my stitches are turned. Sometimes if you do different ways, I have a little video about this, just check on my channel about using brain for the knitting, then my knit stitches will be turned this way. If yours are not this way, just make them by the front loop. Here we come to the end, and for example here this will be our last stitch before the turn, and here I have my stitch this way. If yours is different way, then don't change nothing, but I will explain you. Basically we will need to make another stitch from this row, this previous row. Then we will have from previous row 2 stitches, and we will now turn the stitch. If yours are this way, you don't do nothing. Then your additional stitch need to be behind of this main stitch. Then you can do it 2 ways. You can put your stitch on the needle and make another knit stitch, or you just go behind and pick this yarn here that's from previous row and make your knit stitch and put it on your left needle. Now you created double stitch and you have 2 stitches made from the previous row. You see? This way. Both are turning to the left with the right side of the stitch in the front. Now turn your work, and now we will work on the wrong side, and I will show you how we make this short rows on a wrong side. I do my purl stitches this way. As you see, my yarn is under the needle. That's why I was telling you about the way you do your purls. This will make a difference on the right side as well. Then here we came to our turning point. Here we have a last stitch, and the principle will be the same. We will make another additional stitch, last stitch, from this previous row. Yeah, you have your last stitch, and then we will pass it to the right needle without working it. Yeah, and then we take previous row like this stitch behind, you see, and yes, can you see this? Yeah, then you just hold your stitch with a finger and make your purl stitch. My purl stitch I do this way. If you do other way, it will be turned right way, but not mine. I'm doing this way, and I need to turn it to be the right way. If you see this, how your stitch needs to be, yeah, it's if you don't turn it, it will be twisted. We can't twist our stitches. And then the same principle, additional stitch need to be behind of the main stitch, and we do it from the previous row. Let me show again, this way, and then I turn it. If you do purl stitch other way, you don't need probably to turn it. Just pay attention to don't twist it. You see, this how it need to look. Now you turn your work. Here we go. Just pass this double stitch on your right needle. Yeah, pull your yarn tight this way. You can actually do it on a wrong side as well, as see what is more comfortable for you. Then we turn work, we pass our stitches on the right needle, and we continue working. And now I'll show you, like, when we finish, when we need to pass through all stitches. For example, you've done all your short rows, and this is your last row when you need to knit them all. Here we come to our double stitch. This double stitch, we just take them both and knit both together. This is how it will look. Main stitch on top, additional stitch behind, and just continue working till the end of the row. I will turn my work and I'll show you how we do this on the wrong side. Give me a minute. Let's go. I skip first stitch. I do my purls, and now we will come to my double stitch. And give me a minute, and here we are. Here we are with our double stitch, and we just do it like the same way. Continue knitting, and that's it. That's how our short rows looks on the wrong side. If you see, just perfect and beautiful. You see, absolutely invisible. And if you pull tight everything, this will be your perfect symmetrical, beautiful short rows. Let's see on the right side. Absolutely perfect. I just love this way to do short rows, because it looks just immaculate. It looks perfect, beautiful, no holes, and you know, I think this is the best way to do short rows. I hope you will agree with me. And that's it for today. I hope you like the video. Put that like button and subscribe to the channel, and come back to see more tutorials. See you!